Let's start with the calendar page for September because I have already filled in some information inside. Again, this page will have links to the weekly pages and to the daily pages. Also, this page allows you to track your monthly focus and always track your progress. But also, it allows you some space to track other things, reminders, and important stuff you want to remember for that month. Now let's use the horizontal navigation and see what other categories you can take notes in for these particular monthly pages. Here it is, the monthly money page, where you can track your income and the total income and your expenses and the total expenses. I like to always keep an eye on how much I saved every month, so I put that result right here on the top in green. The tracker for September looks like this. Again, you have links to the daily pages and you can decide how you will track, what you will track on the left side of the screen, and then use your own system to check the days when you have completed those tasks or items. I always put in yellow the kind of category I'm tracking. So for September, I've only tracked the health category. The one win a day page is used for wins but also for lessons. So I'm usually using a color code key here on the top of the screen to indicate which one is which. And this is the list. For each of those days, I have added a win or a lesson. Don't forget that each of these numbers actually link to the days. So click on any number and you'll be going to the daily planning page. The review page for that month allows you to track your accomplishments, the goals you have met, which one you didn't, and then how would you boost your productivity and what kind of people you have met, how to improve their relationships with those people. And don't forget to always make plans for the following month. If you need more space for monthly pages, you can always go to the extra section, select a built-in page template and add it anywhere after the available monthly pages, and you will be able to do so.